different there. Wow. Whoa. Let's move on with the Pet Shop Boys. Some music to party New Year's Eve away with. This is somewhere, of course, still to come is that wonderful extravaganza that we look forward to, the waterfall effect from the Sydney Harbour Bridge. That will be coming up very shortly. Meantime, the Pet Shop Boys are doing their thing as the fireworks are going off. Stuff exploding in the sky over Sydney Harbour.
Richard, we are so close to the action here. I'm looking behind us and all of the boats are actually being ushered out of the way. They're drifting too close. It's a little dangerous for them underneath these fireworks that are just showering down on us. That's going to go off is actually going to be shot 400 metres up into the sky.
How high?
400 metres. Imagine how noisy that's going to be. It's going to knock us off our perch.
I've just got to give a plug to our cameraman hanging up there out of the side of a chopper. It is a windy old night in Sydney town, I've got to tell you. And Clem is up there. He wouldn't be able to hear a word I'm saying, but I'm sure he'll be watching this back when he gets home. You're doing a fine job, my friend. Wonderful, wonderful pictures. Indeed, to all the crew all around the harbour. Really capturing the essence of what this is all about. Not an easy thing to do. Now focusing firmly on the Sydney Harbour Bridge, the old coat hanger. Should never look better than this, I tell you.
They got a special effect too. Watch for this. Bottom of the Harbour Bridge there. This is their new effect.
All right.
Slowly inching out sideways and then that fabulous Niagara Falls effect.
And all around Sydney Harbour, from the foreshore and all the boats that are gathered here, there are cameras flashing off like you've never seen before. Everyone wanting to capture this moment. What a shot. Looking magnificent in the background there. It's all done on such a grand scale. It really does look as if it's happening in slow motion, doesn't it? We can see now down towards Darling Harbour. There are more fireworks going off now. Over the back of Sydney, outside Star City, Sydney's new casino.
And this is the finale, and you'll also see North Sydney. The fireworks are going off on top of the buildings there and in the city.
Just incredible. So hang on to your hats, folks. Get ready for the big one. Are we strapped in, Kim?
I'm tied on, I can tell you that much. Ropes around my wrists and ankles.